Hi guys, welcome back with the fourth and last puzzle. The fourth and last puzzle is a jigsaw Sudoku, aka Tectonic. In Dutch they call it cipher block, in Japanese Suguru. And this one has 4 stars. In the additional of today's newspaper on a Monday. Yes, it's still Monday. August the 28th, 2023. And I've already solved 3 puzzles. The 3 stars, the 4 star Sudoku, the binary, and it's time now for the Tectonic. Yeah, Tectonic. Let me position the camera first. Okay, cipher block in Dutch. Yes, this one will be number 7001. Before I start, I always count up 20 digits. 14 printed digits should be an easy one because the hard ones has always 8, 9 or 10 printed digits. But it's indicated with 4 stars, and for 4 stars puzzle I need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit. 30 minutes or more is really a 4 stars jigsaw Sudoku. We'll see. So let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box or boxes? Because the single box is always a 1. Here single box, there single box, always a 1. Do we have here, next question, dual boxes? Contains the 1 and the 2. Let me see. For dual box, no dual boxes here. Triple boxes there. Next question, do we have triple boxes here? I see here only 1 triple box. Contains the 1, the 2, and the 3. Well, these 2 boxes can be 2. So 1 box left with 2 should be here. So the other 2 numbers should be the 1 and the 3, 1 and the 3. And when you see a triple box, remember that the box near the middle box, the inside box is always 4 or a 5. 4 or a 5. Okay. More triple boxes, no quadra boxes then. I see here 2 quadra boxes. Here quadra box and there quadra box. Contains the 1, the 2, 3, and 4. Well, when you see a quadra box in the L shape remember that the inside box is always a 5. This is the inside box, always a 5. Well, this box can be a 3, so 3 could be here, could be there, and other numbers could be everywhere. Okay, here another triple box, quadra box. These 2 boxes can be 3, so 3 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be 2, so 2 could be here, could be there, and the other numbers could be everywhere. More quadra boxes? No. Then the following strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. For example, this shape. Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box is the same number as that box. Alright. Do you have more of these kind of shapes? No, only one. Then the following shape, how about this shape? Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? Yeah, here another one. This box has the same number as that box. Here another one. This box has the same number as that box. Do we have more? No. Then the following shape. How about the S or the Z construction? If you rotate this to the right side, then you get the S. If you flip this or mirror this, you will get the Z. Alright, let me draw this here. Alright, the S construction. When you see the S construction, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. But also that box has the same number as this box. So that box has the same number as this box. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? No, only one shape. Alright, the next shape. How about the L shape? Let me draw the L shape here. When you see the L shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Alright. Only one L shape. Then the following shape, how about this shape? Let me draw this shape. Here. Alright, here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. This box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 2. 2 here. Right, here another one, but mirrored. This box has the same number as that box. Here another one, upside down. This box has the same number as that box. In this case, it's a 1 here. Alright. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. Maximum 6. One is missing here, I believe the T shape. So not in this puzzle. In this puzzle we have only 5 that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get starting filling those numbers. These 3 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be there. These 2 boxes can be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this area should be there. So 2 numbers left, the 2 and the 4, 2 and the 4. But this box is connected with that box. We also 2 and a 4. But we already have a 2 here, so it can't be 2 anymore. This box should be a 4. Is connected with that box, should be also 4. 1 box left in this area for number 2. Alright. Then. These 2 boxes can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. These 3 boxes surround the 3 can be a 3. So the 3 could be here, could be there. Well. Let me think. Well, this box can be a 1. We have a 1 here. It's connected with that box, should be also a 1. Can it be a 1? So the 1 could be here, could be there. Well, we have a 1 here, so no 1 there. 1 should be here. And I've eliminated the 3, so the 3 goes there. So 1 digit left in this quadra box for number 4 is connected with that box, should be also a 4. These 2 boxes can be 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this area should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 5. 3 and 5. 2 numbers left in this S construction for numbers 1 and 2. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, 1 goes there, and this box is connected with that box, should be also a 2. This box can be 4. This box can be 1. So 1 and 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So if we eliminated the 3 here, so the 3 goes there. 3 to 5, we have 3 now. So no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Okay. Then. These 3 boxes surround the 3 can be a 3. So the 3 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be 2. That box can be a 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. Well, it's not helping me. It's not helping me. These 2 boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be there. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1. Can be 2. Can be 3. Can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and a 5. Let me mark those 2 and 5, 2 and 5. is connected with that box should be also 2 and a 5. But we already have a 2 here, so it can't be 2 anymore. This box should be a 5. Is connected with that box should be also 5. One box left in this area for number 2. And this one is connected with that box. Should be also a 5. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 3. We have a 2 there. No 2 there. 2 should be here. 3 goes there. I marked those 2 boxes earlier with 2. We have a 2 there. So no 2 there. 2 should be here. This box can be a 1 or a 4. We have a double 1 there, double 4 there. So the 1 and 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So I've eliminated the 3 here. So the 3 goes there. Alright. Alright. And now, this box can be... Wait. This box cannot be a 1 or a 3. We have a double 1 there, double 3 there. So 1 and 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this L-shaped area for number 4. Now we have a 4 there, so this box can't be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. This box should be a 1. Okay. Alright. Come on. Thinking these are 3 boxes. Surrounded 2 can be 2. So 2 could be here, could be there. Thinking. These. Oh, no. No 2. 2. Well, this box can be a 3. These 2 boxes can be 3. We have a double 3 there. If I place a 3 here, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those 2 boxes. So the only place left for the 3 in this area should be there. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 3. Okay. This box can be a 5. So the 5 could be here, could be there. Thinking. Oh, apologies. I bumped the camera. I'm thinking. Come on. Yeah. Well, these 2 boxes can be a 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. Well, it's not helping me here. These 2 boxes can be a 3. So the 3 could be here, could be there. Come on. This is taking too long. 1, 3. 2, 3, 5. Need a 1 here. Need a 4 here. Well, then and 1. Overlooked 1 and a 4. We have a 1 there, so no 1 there. 1 should be here. 4 goes there. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3. Should be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely a 4. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 5 and 1. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 5 goes there. And this box is connected with that box, should be so 1. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with 1. We have a 1 now, so this box can be 1 and more. That box should be a 1. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely a 4. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 2 goes there. I marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 2. We have a 2 now, so this box can be 2 and more. That box should be a 2. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 5. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 5 goes there. Alright. These 2 boxes can be 4. That box can be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this area. Should be here. And I've eliminated the 3. So the 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 5. We have a 5 there. No 5 there. 5 should be here and a 1 goes there. Now we have a 1 here. So this box give me 1 and more. That box should be a 1 and this box should be a 3. 1 and 3, we have a 1 there. No 1 there. 1 should be here and a 3 goes there. I think this box should be a 5 because give me 1. Give me 2. Give me 3. Give me 4. Yes, definitely a 5. This box can be 3. This box can be 4. So 3 to 4 goes in those two boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this area for number 2. Alright. Okay, I think this box will be a 5 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. I think this box should be also a 5 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. 2 numbers left for numbers 1 and a 3. Let me mark those 1 and 3, 1 and 3. Then let me think. This box can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. That means we have a double 1 there. Double 1 there. That means that these two boxes can be a 1. If I place a 1 here, I can fill any 1 in one of those two boxes. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Well, we see another 1 there, so no 1 there. Only place left for the 1 in this area. Should be there. We have a double 1 there. That means that this box cannot be a 1 anymore. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those two boxes. So this box should be a 3. And that box should be a 1. Alright. These 3 boxes surround the 3 can be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this area should be there. And I've eliminated the 2. So the 2 goes there. And I've eliminated the 1. The 1 goes there. 1 box left in this area for number 4. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also 4. 2 numbers left in this area for number 2. And 5. We have a 2 there. No 2 there. 2 should be here. And the 5 goes there. And the 3 and the 4. We have a 3 now. So no 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 4. Here goes. And there. Finish in 17 minutes. Well. We sold it again. 4 stars. No. 3 stars. No. Let me give this a 2 stars. I'm not faster than 15 minutes, but we sold it again, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you tomorrow on Tuesday. So have a great and fantastic Monday. Until then, bye bye for now.